Hi everyone, my name is Traci Ito, proud alumni of the University of Louisville Complex Benign Gynecology Fellowship. I'm currently an associate professor at the University of California, San Francisco in the minimally invasive GYN surgery division. If you're looking to build your confidence in laparoscopic GYN surgery and not just sit through another set of lectures, this hands-on course is truly one of the best. The cadaveric lab and how we guide you through dissection is designed to help you actually feel more comfortable in the OR. There is a brief lecture component, but we cover everything from the basics of laparoscopic suturing to more advanced topics like approaching the retroperitoneum, thinking through dissection in a practical way. Myself and other faculty were always so excited to be a part of this. We guide participants through the suture lab and the cadaveric dissection. We are genuinely invested in helping you improve your skills and have a great time. And each year we get to know physicians from all over the country. What I love most is it's a relaxed, supportive environment where you can ask questions, try things out, and walk away with skills that will benefit you. So we really hope to see you there.